Hello guys, my name is Natasha and today I will show you how to use this Prime Dent Kit, and I will show you how to use your teeth. As you can see, I have a little cheap tooth here and I really need to fix it. As you know, right now it's coronavirus quarantine and you actually cannot go to any dentist. So at this point I decided to do it by myself. So let's see how it works out. To be honest with you guys, I'm using it second time. The first time I used it, I did something wrong, or maybe it's because how it works, but apparently it's fixed only for a few days. So today I decided to modify it a little. It's gonna be the first time I modified it, and hopefully it's work permanently. So let's do it. So at first let me show you these kits. These kits consist of this kind of stuff. It's at base, it has a chant, and it has catalyst, and it has two composite. That's how you make your tooth by itself. And to be honest, it's going to be so hard. It's actually going to be hard as a rock. And also at this time I need some these plastic things. They are in the kit as well. Some Q-tips. And this is the most of my modification. But I'm gonna be use tiny of that just to make it like really strong. So let's see. As you can see, I have a little bit of note how to do it, because these all chemicals, man, what's going first, what's going second. So at first you have to brush your teeth. You have to brush it very well, okay? So after you brush it, just and after like 5-10 minutes, you can start doing it. At first you have to use chant. So you have to put it on your Q-tip. Okay guys, I'm doing it. Okay, let's do it. As you can see, this is my tooth but was chipped and what I need to repair. So let's put this all around this tooth, okay? It doesn't taste good. Tastes like vinegar. And let it dry for 20 seconds. And let it dry. Okay, now we need to put base. That's the second. Okay, that's the second step. We need to put some base. So we take another Q-tip. We open base, and we're gonna put it on base. Okay. Okay. Oh, tastes really not good. Okay. The next step is dry. You have to dry it now. Dry. Maybe you need to put fan on or something. You have to dry it really well. We're almost there. And almost to my invention with this one. And now it's interesting part. You ready? Now we're gonna use these two things. What we're gonna do, we have to take equal parts of this and mix with equal parts of this one. So both supposed to be equal, okay? So let's do it. That's how it looks. We used, and that's what we have this one for, okay? So we take this one like this. Put it on your fingers. to use this one now. Okay, and we take this one and see, like equal. And now you have to really mix it really well. Okay, it's a good part. Okay, so basically just like this, very easy, right? So we're done with this part, guys. Now it's gonna be crazy. I'm not sure if I should do it, but you know, I tried without and it did not work out for a long time. So I just put a little bit of glue here, just tiny bit, and I will use tiny because you know, sometimes, I mean, I know people use it a lot, but you don't want to be any toxic, so just that's all what you need for glue. Just put it there where it's supposed to go, on your chip itself. A little bit more. Good enough. And now you have to use this one. Push it really well together. Okay, just a second. You can see. Take another part. It's really interesting. I did not put it a lot, and that's what it's clear. And now you take the rest. Okay. Look. Okay. This. See? See? It's disappeared. And this time I put really a lot. You have to bite it. Let's see. To be sure nothing is behind. Okay? And like I told you before, I made a mistake. I did not use this one, okay? Now I'm not gonna make mistake. Now I really would like to use everything to make it like super strong. You put super glue, right? You put this one here, you put on your tooth. Keep putting on it. Don't worry. And and keep applying the base. See guys, see? Until I got exactly like I wanted it. And now just let it dry. And you're all set. See? Perfect. And I keep applying super glue with this thing, and now I really think it's gonna be stay for much longer. Okay guys, and the last step, you need to apply this catalyst, okay? So we need to apply this one. So basically you just put it on and you apply it really good. A lot. So after applying this catalyst, you have to let it dry. So let it dry and you're gonna be all set. And what else? Check out your tooth. Be sure you can bite. Okay? It's hard like a rock. And because I put it with super glue, just tiny bit of super glue, hopefully it will stay longer. That's how the final results looks. As you can see, it looks terrific. I'm really happy with that. You can buy it. You can check it out. And you can look good. And you don't need to go to the dentist anytime soon. And hopefully with my new inventions, maybe it will stay longer. Much longer. And if not, I will do it again. Super easy, super good, super fast, and pretty. Well, I hope it's gonna help a lot of people in this kind of crisis when you cannot use any dentist. And keep me posted. Please do not forget to subscribe. If I have any other crazy idea, I will definitely let you know. And have fun and stay safe. Goodbye, guys.